Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. If you're here, it means you're dedicated to improving your English skills, and that's amazing. Learning a new language is like climbing a mountain. It's challenging, but every step you take gets you closer to the top. Today, I want to remind you of one very important thing. Never give up on your English learning journey. No matter how hard it gets or how many mistakes you make, persistence is the key to success. In this video, we'll cover 1. Why you should never give up. 2. Strategies to stay motivated. 3. Practical exercises to help you improve. Let's get started. Learning English can feel like a big challenge. Sometimes it might seem hard, and you might want to give up. But remember, every time you push through a tough moment, you get closer to your goal. Think about why you're learning English. Maybe it's to get a better job, travel, or talk to new people. Whatever it is, keep that goal in your mind. Each word you learn, every sentence you speak, is one step closer to making that dream come true. It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. And it's okay if things move slowly. Progress is progress, no matter how small. So don't give up. Keep going. And remember that every day you practice brings you closer to being the person you want to be. Now let's talk about some simple tips to help you stay motivated and keep improving your English. Part 1. Why you should never give up. Learning English is a valuable skill. It opens doors to new opportunities. Whether you're studying for a better job, to travel, or to connect with people from around the world, every effort you make brings you closer to your goal. But let's face it, there will be challenges. You might struggle with pronunciation. Grammar rules might feel confusing. Or you might feel shy or embarrassed to speak in front of others. Here's the truth. Every successful English speaker started where you are today. They faced the same challenges, made mistakes, and felt frustrated. But they didn't give up, and neither should you. Remember this quote. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Every mistake is a step forward, not backward. Part 2. Strategies to stay motivated. Now, let's talk about how to stay motivated on your English learning journey. 1. Set small, achievable goals. Instead of saying, I want to be fluent, set smaller goals like, learn 10 new words a week. Practice speaking for 5 minutes a day. Watch one English video with subtitles daily. Small successes will keep you motivated. 2. Celebrate your progress. Every improvement, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Did you learn a new phrase today? Celebrate it. Did you understand a conversation better than before? That's a big win. 3. Surround yourself with English. Make English a part of your daily life. Listen to English songs. Watch movies or TV shows in English. Read simple English books or articles. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll improve. 4. Find a learning partner. Practice with a friend, teacher, or even online communities. Speaking regularly will build your confidence. 5. Remember your why. Why are you learning English? Keep that reason in mind, write it down, and look at it every time you feel like giving up. Part 3. Practical exercises to help you improve. Let's move on to some practical exercises you can do every day to improve your English. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. Listen to me and repeat these sentences. 1. I am learning English every day. 2. Practice makes progress, not perfection. 3. I will never give up on my dreams. Exercise 2. Vocabulary practice. Here are 5 words to practice. 1. Determination. Sentence: I have the determination to learn English. 2. Confidence. Sentence: my confidence grows every day. 3. Success. Sentence: success comes with hard work. 4. Effort. Sentence: I put effort into learning English. 5. Journey. Sentence: learning English is an exciting journey. Exercise 3. Speaking practice. Practice answering these questions in English. 1. What is your name? 2. Why are you learning English? 3. What do you do in your free time? Take your time. Think about your answers and say them out loud. Part 4. Inspirational story. Let me share an inspiring story with you. There was a man named David who wanted to learn English, but he struggled. He didn't have access to classes and often felt discouraged. But David made a promise to himself: I will never give up. He started watching English videos, reading simple books, and practicing with friends. It took time, but step by step, he improved. Today, David is fluent and works as a tour guide, connecting with people from all over the world. His journey wasn't easy, but he didn't quit. And just like David, you can achieve your goals too. Chapter 2. Stay motivated on your English learning journey. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and motivation is what keeps you taking the next one. Motivational points. 1. Focus on your why. Ask yourself, why am I learning English? Is it to get a better job, travel the world, or connect with people globally? Whatever your reason, keep it front and center. Write it down on a sticky note and place it somewhere you'll see it every day. When times get tough, this why will remind you of the bigger picture. 2. Celebrate small victories. Every time you learn a new word, speak a full sentence, or understand a conversation, it's a victory. Celebrate these small wins because they are the building blocks of fluency. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. 3. Accept mistakes as part of the process. Don't fear mistakes. They're your best teachers. Every mispronounced word or incorrect sentence is a chance to learn and grow. Instead of being discouraged, think, I'm one step closer to mastering this. Imagine your future self. Visualize the confident, fluent English speaker you will become. Picture yourself giving a presentation, traveling abroad, or having effortless conversations. This vision of your future self can inspire you to keep moving forward. 5. Stay consistent. Motivation may start your journey, but consistency will get you to the finish line. Even on the days you don't feel like learning, doing just 5 minutes of practice can make a big difference. Consistency is what turns effort into success. Inspirational story. Let me share another inspiring story. Maria was a beginner in English, and she felt embarrassed every time she spoke. Her friends laughed at her mistakes, and she wanted to quit many times. But Maria had a dream. She wanted to work in an international company. She reminded herself every day, my dreams are bigger than my fears. She practiced every morning, listened to English podcasts, and kept trying even when it felt impossible. After 2 years, Maria got her dream job. Today, she speaks English confidently and helps others learn the language too. Maria's journey wasn't easy, but her determination and motivation made all the difference. Your journey matters. Just like Maria, your journey is unique and valuable. The road may be long, but every step forward counts. Motivation isn't something you find once. It's something you nurture daily. Surround yourself with positive influences, celebrate your efforts, and always keep your goals in sight. Remember, you are capable, you are determined, and most importantly, you will succeed. At last, let me tell you about my channel Pro English Skills, your ultimate destination for learning English through motivational stories, listening practice, and engaging content. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, our channel offers a variety of English short stories, podcasts, and practical tips to help you improve your English speaking, listening, and overall language skills. Explore how to learn English fast, improve your vocabulary, and gain confidence in real-world conversations. Join our community and start enhancing your English skills today. Thanks for watching to the Pro English Skills YouTube channel.